Ashton, listen kay teacher. Ang sinabi ni teacher? Wala
Wala
na
pang ingay.
Gusto niyo bang bawasan ko yung mga points ninyo? Okay, so, listen. Tingin kay teacher. Si teacher ay maglalagay na mga picture ng basura sa harapan ninyo. Okay ha? Listen muna. Listen muna sa teacher. Oh, ang line. Sabi ko ang line. Diyan ang line. Walang lalabas. Wait lang ha. Okay, quiet lang, waterfalls. So, listen. Ang gagawin ninyo, for the group 1, this will be your trash can. For the group 2, this will be your trash can. For the group 3, this will be your trash can. So, ang gagawin ninyo, listen. Yung nasa harapan, Caleb, you listen. Okay, for those na nasa harapan, for those in front, kids na nasa yung linya mo. Okay, listen. Group 1. Group 1 muna. Listen. Group 1, Caleb, listen. You will only get the waste or the trash that can be put here. Okay? Do not get the trash that is not belong here. Ano nga yung nilalagay dito? Mga bulong na mga foods. Okay? Understand, group 1? Okay, for the group 2, American, ilalagay mo lang dito yung mga basura na di nabubulok. Okay, huwag kukunin yung nabubulok. Bell. Si Rihanna, mauna daw si Rihanna. Sit down, Bell. Kunin mo lang yung mga pwede natin magamit yung ma-recycle. Do not get the picture or the object that doesn't belong here. Understood? Okay, paunahan ha. Magkakal si teacher. Ang tatakbo yung nakatayo lang. Okay. Magkakal si teacher in 3 counts. 1. 1. Si teacher. Sino nga yung magkakal? Teacher lang. Pag sabi kong go, ang picture, isa lang ha. Caleb, you only get 1 picture, okay? And then put it in the trash can. Okay, understood? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Only one picture. Only one picture. Only one picture, yes. Oh. Okay, one picture only, Caleb. Okay, sit down. Okay, nauna sinong nauna? Rihanna. Is you go up na there. Malikod na. Okay, sinong nauna? Ayan natin na. Okay, next. Nauna ang group 3. Okay, next na sa line. Listen again. Sino next sa line? Bell, and then stand up lang sa next. Quiet. Waterfalls. Listen again kay teacher. Listen. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Yung iba yung nakatingin. Eyes on me. Okay, so listen again ha. Bell. Nathan. Isa lang ang kukunin na picture. Ayan, ilagay dito. Understood? Isa lang na picture ang kukunin, then ilagay dito paunahan. Understood, Beth? Ayan siya, understood. Isa lang ang kukunin na picture ha. Isa. 1 only. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Sino nauna? Okay, next. Okay, Nathan, sit down for sit down for sit down. Waterfalls. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Nauna si Ashton. Next na, next. Sino isa? Ikaw na, ikaw tayo. Ay, you're done. Sige na, next. Sino next? Ikaw, tayo. Tayo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Nauna ang group 1. Group 1 na naman. Okay. Meron pa, dalawa. Dalawa na yan. Sinong hindi pa? Tapos ka na nila. Si Arshan. Si Arshan na naman next. Ikaw, sinong hindi pa nakalala sa inyo? Ikaw. Ikaw rin tayo. Okay. Waterfalls. Quiet dyan. Babawasan ko yung voice ninyo. Wala. Sige na. Okay na. 1, 2, 3, go! Wala si Arshan. Okay. Sit down. Listen. Check natin kung tama yung mga basura na nilagay dito. Siya here. Quiet. Everyone, waterfalls. Okay, check natin yung mga basura na nilagay dito. Tama ba to? Ito. How about this one? This one, color is down. Tama? Okay, very good. Group 1. Quiet din, quiet. Group 1. Waterfalls. Ano sinabi ng teacher? Wag okay, hindi muna tayo mag-start. Kumaingay ang lahat. Caleb, ka. Okay. Gusto ko walang bibig na mag-open. And don't make extra movements. Again, waterfalls. Zip your mouth. Oh, wala na dapat marinig na ingay. Sino yan? Huwag na maingay. Listen na. Listen. Okay, check natin ang sa... Okay, check natin. Ano nga yung nilalagay dito? Hindi na? Listen, hindi na? Okay, check natin. Nabubulok ba to? Ito, tama ba to? This one. Tama? This one. This one. Okay, very good. Okay. Last one. Ano sinabi ni teacher? Huwag mag-ingay. Timing lang. Sige na, sit down. Huwag na magsabi ng ganyan, bad yan, bad.
Yeah, that's really bad.
Quiet na, quiet na. Again, zip your mouth. Group 1. Zip your mouth. Zip. Waterfalls. Wala na open ng mouth. Ito, check natin. Dito pwede pang magamit. Tama ba?
Yeah.
This one.
Tama.
This one.
Tama.
This one.
Tama.
Okay, very good. Ibibigay mo na sa ng points. Waterfalls.
Right, right. Tama na, right.
Lola. Waterfalls.
Gapon, no?
Ma'am?
Wala gapon.
Wala ma'am. Tuwag sambuanga daw ma'am.
Okay, dito. Bilangin natin sinong winner sa group activity. Okay, group 1. Count. Group 1. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120
Nine. Okay, group 2. Quiet, 7. Okay, dito. 1. Sino winner? Dito, okay. Gusto niyo pa ng activity? Okay. Ayusin mo lang ito linya. Line. Line muna. Yung kanina, yung saan kayo dito. Ashton. Ashton. Sit down, sit down.
Yes, ma'am. Wala ka lang.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Yung line mo kanina. Doon ka po, doon ka po. Sit here. Oh, hindi tayo magsastart yung maingay. Yung mga naglalaro dyan. Ayun siya, you sit there. Zip your mouth daw muna, zip. Oh, zip, it means zip, wala nang gagalaw, hindi na mag-open yung mouth. Tingnan ko daw. Oh, meron tayong mga prizes dito. Hindi ko bibigyan yung mga maingay.
Haan, ma'am.
Gusto niya yung prize, hindi? Oh, yung maingay hindi ko bibigyan. Zip, zip. Zip.
Wala, ma'am.
Quiet na. Okay, next. Listen. Oh, listen, listen. Dito, eyes on me. Nathan, eyes on me. Okay, ang gagawin natin, magre-remove kayo ng picture. Remove the picture that doesn't belong here. So, biodegradable. Biodegradable, it means nabubulok. Aalisin niyo yung picture na hindi nabubulok. There's no sino gusto answer dito. Raise your hand. Okay, American. From Congo. Nabubulok lang dito. So, saan yung hindi nabubulok? Remove. Okay? O, tama. Tama ba? Okay, so bigyan natin na points ang group 2. Sit down agad. Okay, next. Meron pa bang nakasali dito na nabubulok? Ay, hindi nabubulok? Okay, right, Kylie Bell. Okay. Alisin yung hindi nabubulok. Ay, hindi nabubulok. Okay, tama ba? Okay, very good. Sit down. O, dito. Dito, meron pa bang natirang hindi nabubulok? Nabubulok na ba ito lahat? Okay, next. Okay, next. Dito naman is alisin yung mga nabubulok. Nabubulok. Okay, tama? Tama? Very good. Yan natin ng point. Okay, next. Meron pa ba? Yung mga nabubulok. Tanggalin yung nabubulok. Okay, Albukari. Tanggalin mo yung nabubulok. Dito lang. Saan yung nabubulok? Nabubulok. Nabubulok. Okay, nabubulok. Okay, tama? Okay, very good. Okay. Ashton, listen Ashton, ha? Gusto mo ng reward mamaya or hindi? Gusto? Okay. Be quiet. You be quiet. Meron pa natitira na bubulok? Wala na? Okay, next. Tanggalin naman yung hindi ma-recycle. Sino? Share here. Share here. ma-recycle. Hindi siya ma-recycle. Okay? O, tama ba? Okay, very good. Sino pa?
Ako!
Tanggalin yung hindi ma-recycle. Okay, from group 1. Gusto mo from group 1. Nathan, come here. Tanggalin yung hindi natin pwede ma-recycle. Lalaro ka lang ha. Hindi ma-recycle. Hindi ma-recycle. Hindi. Tanggalin mo yung nabubulok dyan. Okay, makita sa kanila. Tama ba? Pag natitira, wala na. Okay, very good. Okay, meron pa ba natitira? Wala na. Okay, so dahil nag-participate ang lahat, bigyan natin ang ating sarili ng ang galing clap. Alam niyo ba yung ang galing clap? Okay, so ganito lang ha. 1, 2, ang galing. 1, 2, ang galing. 1, 2, ang galing. Galing. Oh, stand up. Okay, let's do the ang galing clap. Stand up, Kazumi. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2,
Ang galing! 1, 2, ang galing! 1, 2,
ang galing. Galing. Okay, so now, are you ready for a worksheet, a test?
Yes!
Okay, so go back to your seat. Get your pencils.
Wala.
Quiet lang. Sit down. Quiet. Listen na. Mag-instruct sa teacher. Eyes on me. Everyone, eyes on me. Group 3, eyes on me. Okay, eyes on me muna. Huwag i-ano yung pencil ninyo sa table. Okay, listen. Nakikita niyo yung pictures? Ang gagawin niyo, maglalagay kayo ng waterfalls daw muna, waterfalls. Zip your group 1. Waterfalls. Eyes on me.
I love you.
Quiet muna, wala muna magsasalita. Sino yung nagsasalita? Oh, listen. Nakikita niyo yung mga pictures? Ang gagawin niyo, maglalagay kayo ng check or wrong. So, as you can see, may mga basura and then trash can. I-check ninyo yung dito sa underline kapag yung basura is nasa tamang basurahan. Understood? Kapag hindi siya nasa tamang basurahan, iro-wrong. Naintindihan? Lagyan ng X kapag hindi tama yung paglagay ng basura. Nagets? Group 3, nagets ninyo? Listen. I-check at iro-wrong ninyo. Okay? I-check kapag ang basura is nilagay sa tamang ayan siya. I-check kapag ang basura is nasa tamang basurahan. And wrong kapag hindi. Understood? Understood everyone? Understood? Now don't forget your name, ha? Okay. Huwag na maglaro. Answer na. Check and wrong. I already explained kanina. Hindi ka nag-explain.
When we do this, one, trash. Colette, you need your name. No, we need your name. No.
Sige na, answer na.
No,
Okay, write your name. Don't forget your name. Tignan mabuti yung basurahan. Tignan mabuti kung yung basura is nasa tamang basurahan. Understood? Okay. Yes, sa underline na kayo maglagay ng check and wrong. Answer na. I will only give you 3 minutes. Ashton. You can borrow your glass. Raise your hand if tapos na. I pencil. erase para makolect ni teacher? Done na? Ano, check and wrong. Ito ba? Tama ba na ilagay ko sa screen? Check and wrong. Sige. Name. Check and wrong. Yan lang sa underline. Check and wrong lang. Don't go next. Don't go check and wrong. Done na? Sino done na? Okay. Your name. Dito sa underline na. Mag-answer next time ka. Sige na. Check and wrong lang. Check and wrong. Check and wrong dito. Check and wrong. Tignan mo dito. Tama. Check and wrong. Okay, very good. Sabi ko erase lang ang pencil. Nathan, answer na. Done? Done. Sige na. Bilisan ang pag-answer dahil para malaman natin sino na ang winner. Done na? Sige na, pagdali na. Okay, name. Don't forget your name. Sige na, sulat na name. Pag tama yan sa labi na nasahan, check mo. Kapag hindi wrong, mataas mo ba? Check and wrong naman yan. Name, don't forget your name. Ashton, your name. Name, okay. Wow, very good. Later. After our class, you can have your name. After na, wag mo check it. Name, okay, very good. Name na Arsha. Hindi tapos na dito. Collect na yung teacher. Arsha na rin. Dito, check or wrong. Yes, not na. Okay. Sit down. Okay, number 1. Mabuti ba ang 1? Tapos na. Okay, napas. I'm done. Okay. Alright, your name. Later, sabi sa teacher ha. Right na. After na, pag magsabi sa teacher, recess na, mag-recess na ha. Pag hindi ka nagsabi sa teacher, wag mo na. Sorry. American, sit down. Sit down, American. Huwag na. Okay, very good. Sino hindi pa tapos? Sino na lang? Si Arsha, si Don, si Jane, and Right. Okay na. Quiet lang. Okay, very good. Okay, si Don na lang. Okay. Okay, wala na ba nagsusulat? Wala na nagsusulat? Oh, tapos na. Okay, for your assignment. Listen, eyes on me. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Okay, so for your assignment, direction, cut out one picture of sample waste. Later na pag magsabi sa picture. Sit down, sit down. Cut out one picture of sample waste for each types of waste and label if it's biodegradable, non-biodegradable, waterproof, or recyclable, and paste it on a bond paper. So magkakat kayo ng picture, then ilagay sa bond paper. Understood? Okay, assign na yun. Okay, now are you ready to know kung sino ang nanalo?